everyone, we're back at Barton's Discounts here in Indianapolis. We're going to be doing a breakdown. This is a pallet from our HD program. This is the small appliance, home small appliance type good pallets. This particular pallet is priced at $300. We're going to break everything down. We'll have a retail calculator going to give you an idea of what the current retail value is on this particular pallet. And we're gonna, put it out there for sale. You can buy this pallet. So these pallets are ranging about $200 to $400, maybe $450 per pallet, depending on what's on there. This particular one looks like it just has a huge range of small appliance type products. I think this is gonna be a pretty good pallet. So I don't know what's in here. We don't know what's in here. We're just gonna break it down, show you guys the retail value. It'll be fun. And remember, if you guys are visiting us on Facebook, make sure you like, comment, and share this post, and follow us on Facebook. If you're visiting us on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button to view all these different pallet breakdowns that we do. We love doing these, and we're gonna keep doing them for you guys. So let's get started. All right, now remember, this pallet in particular is $300, Barton's Discounts price. Mainly, the people that we sell these to are going to be resellers, whether you're a flea marketer or you have a local retail store, you sell online. Resellers make good money with these products. These are customer return units from our partner, so there will be some items that are brand new with still factory sealed. There'll be units that are used and units that are broken and in need of fixing. So keep that in mind as we go through, but I think you'll see that it's well worth the price. So $300, let's get started. First item that we have is a Shark Rocket. Looks like a stick vacuum type thing. Floor to ceiling versatility. And let's try to get a price on this puppy. Okay, so right now, this particular item is on sale for $159.99. So regularly $189, on sale $159.99. First item. Next, it looks like we have a commercial electric fan. Okay, this item currently $69.96. Commercial electric fan. All right, next we have another fan, 16-inch Oscillating Stand Fan. It is that time of year for fans, so this is great. Current price $26.96 in the store. Got some more fans here. If we run into any heaters, a lot of what the resellers will do is they'll have an area, whether it's seasonal, like a heater, or Christmas type items or anything like that, they'll save them back, and you can buy them pretty cheap this time of year, so they'll save them back and then bring them out at the current type of year. But we're getting pretty lucky here with the fans. So next we have an 11-inch air circulator. Right now this sells for $24.96. Okay, this is kind of cool. Arctic Air Ultra. Enjoy cool, clean air anywhere. So it looks like some kind of evaporative cooler or something. It's an as seen on TV product. It says it cools, humidifies, and purifies. See what this sells for. Okay, so right now in the stores, $39.97. Okay, these are popular. We have an electric fryer. So it's digital smart fryer with hot air technology. So you got some fries in there, put anything. I have one of these at my house. They're amazing. You can cook greaseless. All right, this is also on sale, and we're giving you the current prices, guys, not not the manufacturer's suggested retail. These are prices that they're being sold for right now in the store. So this particular item is $69.88. It was $91.27, but it's on sale for $69.88. All right, here's one of the units I was talking about earlier. So this is a heater. Some places it might be a good time of year for this, but not here in Indiana. But you can save these back, sell them when the time comes. Some people are able to sell them even this time of year because the consumer holds them back. Okay, so this item looks like a discontinued item. This happens sometimes. Most of them, let me see how many watts this is. 1500 watts. Most of the LifeSmart 1500 watts are between $70 and $100. So let's be conservative and say 50 bucks. $50 on this unit, conservatively. Next we have a little handy heater. I actually, we use this in the winter time here at the warehouse to keep the bathrooms somewhat manageable in the cold. So I do know they work well. You just plug it into the outlet, set your temperature there, and you're good to go. Current price, $29.98. Okay. Next, we have a Magic Chef microwave. Right now, this is selling for $54.98. Next, we have a Vornado whole room heater. I think Vornado's a pretty good brand. $59.98 in the store. Okay, we have another small heater, a little ceramic heater here. $20.10. Oh, this is gonna be nice. Okay, a Dyson V7. Sometimes you do see Dysons in these pallets, guys. They are not cheap. Seen quite a few in these pallets, actually. Okay, so Dyson V7 Motorhead cordless. Normally $399, but it's on sale right now for $249. So $249 current sale price. That's great. Keep in mind, I mean, we're about halfway through, maybe. The whole pallet's $300, so keep rolling. Here we have another Shark Navigator Liftaway DLX. Shark is a great brand too. Okay, so they don't have the Liftaway DLX, but they have the DLX upright. I think this is actually more expensive, but we'll go ahead and go with the DLX price. It's $129.99. I think this is probably going to be more like $150 or higher, but let's just go with $129.99 current sale price. Looks like we have another Dyson. Okay, Dyson, once again on sale, $249. V7 Motorhead. So next we have a Lasko electric heater. It's got some damaged packaging, but it's okay. $20.10. All right, we've got another Arctic. Oh, this is an Arctic Air Ultra. So this might be, oh, okay, it is the same as the other one. So price on this was $39.97. Arctic Air Ultra, 677 CFM, compact portable evaporative cooler. Next we have a Crane Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. All right, so current price on this is $44.97. All right, we have another one of these units. It was $44.97. We have another Vornado. It's $59.98 on this here. Another handy heater. $29.98. Guys, this is going to be a really nice pallet. $300. We still have a bunch to go. 9-inch twin window fan. Current selling price $32.96. We have a Mr. Heater portable buddy. Looks like a nice heater. $71.94. Okay, now we have a Shark Rotator lift-away professional vacuum. All right, current price on this, $207.40. On this one piece, $207.40. Well, it's kind of looking like somebody's got to come in here and buy this pallet right when we put it back out. We still have more to go. Have a couple more handy heaters, one in the packaging, one not. $29.98 each, so 2 units, $29.98 a piece. Okay, we have a Vornado 4-inch pivot personal air circulators in color Storm Gray. Current price $19.98. I love seeing all this Shark and Dyson. This is fantastic. Okay, a Shark Genius. It's like a steam pocket mop system. Current price $110.28. Okay, we've got a Hunter Comfort Series digital ceramic tower heater. Ooh, current price $69.97. Alright, we've got 2 of these units in here. It's like a SAI fan forced electric utility heater. All these heaters would be great to keep back for the season. They've been pretty pricey. And with all the other stuff we've had in here, it'd be no problem to save this back. The money is definitely here in this pallet. $19.98 per unit. So we got 2 of them. $19.98, 2 units. Looks like we have a little air mister in here. We'll put $5 in retail on that. Next we have a Vornado Helix. Retail price right now, $29.96 in the store. Got another SAI fan force electric utility heater for medium-sized rooms, 15,000 watts, or 1,500 watts, I'm sorry. 15,000. Probably blow you up. All right, $39.97 on this piece here. Current value. Got another Magic Chef 0.9 cubic foot, 900 watt microwave. $69.98 on this piece here. And we'll just leave that there. We're getting kind of surrounded here. Okay. Second to last box, we've got the Lasco 20-inch box fan, $18.96. Just a little box fan there. And last but not least, have a New-Tone Basic Economy range hood. Looks like 30 inches. Okay, we can't find this exact unit, but we have one that is similar, 30-inch New-Tone series for $52.54, but let's just call it 40 bucks to be safe, since we can't find the exact one. So $40 retail value is conservative on this. Okay, so we had the retail counter going. See what all of this product came to in total retail value. Now remember, Barton's discounts price on this pallet that you can come in and purchase, tomorrow if you want to, is $300. So $300 for all of this merchandise. The total retail value after all of this, going through all the product, was $2,290.94. $2,290.94 in current selling value right now. 300 bucks here. $300. So it's easy to see there's money to be made here. Yes, there are customer returns. Yes, there's going to be new stuff, used stuff, and stuff that needs fixing. But at that price, I mean, it's easy to see the money. So I was super impressed with this pallet. We get them in all the time. We've got a bunch of pallets out for sale all the time. Come out and see us. Barton's Discounts, 2222 Hillside Avenue, Indianapolis, Indiana, 46218. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this post. Hit the subscribe button if you're visiting us on YouTube, and we hope to see you guys out soon. Thanks, everyone.